This is Dr. G. Lakshmi Priya from the School of Electronics Engineering, and here I am to demonstrate on the ICT tools. The category which we have chosen is a Slack mailing list. So I've just opened a Google page with which we'll try to navigate for the Slack. Now in this Google page, let us first type slack.com. And just click try Slack for free, and it will ask you for a sign into Slack. And here I can give my continue with my Gmail ID, or I can go with my VIT mail ID. Since I have my official mail ID, I'm going with my official VIT mail ID, and I'm going to continue with the email. So it will just send you a special link to our VIT mail ID. So just confirm your email address. It is just a verification part. And here it will show us the different workspaces that has been already created by the VIT members who are already existing. So I am choosing to prefer this VIT University Chennai campus. So I'm just launching this. So here we can see that it is Lakshmi Priya Ji, and I have been added to this workspace of VIT University Chennai campus. And Slack is basically a very nice app which helps you to set reminders for you and for your team members. Also, you can share a number of files here. So here we can see what kind of files that we can add. So almost all types of file formats are possible to upload here, and we can see the members of this particular VIT University Chennai campus. This is a one single workspace wherein you can add all your peer members and communicate with them. We need not create a separate WhatsApp group for all those things, because WhatsApp group will not allow you to install a number of apps like this. So this is one single forum wherein we can add a number of apps like Zoom, Zapier, Google Calendar. So all these different apps, there are a number of apps which we can find it in this browse app directory. So it shows you different kinds of apps. This all these apps can be easily integrated with the Slack mailing list. And here if you just click this add option, it will automatically add this particular app to our workspace. And to be precise, it is an easy to use one-stop platform. And here I am to show you how to add one particular app, which is Microsoft Teams calls, which will enable you to attend conference meetings, and even it allows us to take classes for our students through online mode. So that particular app I'm just going to add and show you. You can see this Microsoft Team calls. So this we can click here. Since it is, one second, I'll just show you again after removing this. Since I've installed and reinstalled, uninstalled again, it is showing like that. You can go for browse app directory so that it will navigate through this page. Here if you are typing for Microsoft Teams, it will show you Microsoft Teams calls. Since n number of times I have tried with installing and uninstalling this Microsoft Teams calls for this demo, it is showing me open in Slack. But if not, it will try to show you here install. So just click on this. You can even download a desktop version of the Slack. So I am using the browser version. So now we can see that the Microsoft Teams calls have been added to this app. And this is one common workspace which we all are going to communicate. And this is the very beginning of your direct message history. All those things are shown. And we can see a number of channels that can be created here. So HTTP Chennai VITAC.in, that is a channel that we 15 members are there. So I'm just going to try to initiate a call in or a meeting in Microsoft Teams call. So the command that we have to give is a backslash. This is a shortcut key for initiating our meeting through Teams. So just backslash, type Teams, and just enter the message, send message. So it will just show that Microsoft Teams calls have been initiated a meeting with Lakshmi Priya ji. So, and then it will all this particular initiation will be reflected to all the 15 members who are present in this particular workspace. So then all the other 15 members can click this join button to directly join to the Microsoft Teams call for that particular meeting. So this is very easy, so that all apps can be integrated in one single Slack mailing list. So that's all for this video. Thank you all.